Well friends, hello. You are on the Anti-Polygon channel and today we have a new video. Let's get started. First, let's create a sphere and select the upper vertex. Let's reduce the size of our sphere to fit the shape you want to create. Then select the edge, put the cursor there and add a circle. The size at the beginning of the circle should be larger than at the top. Therefore, at first we make the diameter of the circle larger, at the end naturally smaller. Let's set the axis orientation to local, and then start extruding our circle. Also, don't forget to switch you and your orientation from local to global. After that, select the item in the editing mode, spin. But first we need to place the cursor along the line with our axis that we want to extrude. When we start rotating along the y-axis, don't forget to press the Control button, because it allows you to snap to the grid of our space. As you can see, the Control button makes it easier and faster. Now it remains to trim what we extruded along the y-axis using the keyboard shortcut S, Y, 0. Now we press the G button and drag along the axis towards our center. Now, in order for us to make the exact same copy, we need to add a mirror modifier. But it will not be applied well, as we have not confirmed the changes to our handle. Press the Ctrl+A key combination, and apply all the changes. So in the mirror modifier, we press the clipping. Then in the edit mode, we stretch our axis and connect them together. Now, as you can see, we still have some artifacts and we need them fixed by dissolving the edges. To do this, also in edit mode, select the edges using the Alt button and dissolve them. Also, if you see that the corners are very sharp, it is better to fix them using the Ctrl+B key combination. This combination adds a modifier to our edges. Now we need to create an additional base on the handles. To do this, in edit mode, press the knife using the K button. To cut through our object on both sides, add the C button. Then select our pieces using faces and make a copy using the Shift-D key combination, then press the P button and make a new object out of it. We also need to add the Solidify modifier to this part. It will make it more voluminous and noticeable to us. Do not forget to specify Auto Smooth in the normal parameter. Then add the Solidify modifier of the third level and make a bulge in the foreground. Still, we will select one vertex and change its depth in proportional editing mode. Now let's add weight to our object so that we understand how strong we are. Add text, come into edit mode and write 16. In the parameter for our text, we change the font, and add the bevel modifier to its thickness. Next, we need to create a circle, extrude it inside and add a Solidify modifier. Adjust our circle and number, we will put it in the center to the size of our weight, and in principle we can proceed to our texture. Now I will quickly set up the screen as it is convenient for me and start. Set the render mode to cycle, and turn on the world display mode. Go to the shading settings. Now I'm going to create the base color for our base, and add textures with noise texture and bump. Play with the settings as you need, and I'll increase the noise to 150 and increase the details. With handles, the question will be much easier. We will simply put the gray color and increase the metallic. Next, we will go to the roughness parameter and reduce it so that our handles are mirroring. Also add the same color to our number as on the pens. And for the additional part that is on the handles, just put the color you need. I put gray and also add texture, noise and bump. In principle, that's it. We created our object with you that we wanted. You can change it as you like. Well, thanks for watching this video to the end. I'm very happy. Please write in the comments what else needs to be done in the Blender. We will definitely do it.